All right, let's jump right in. Today we're going to talk about a business model it's completely changing the game for e-commerce. It's powerful, it's growing like crazy, and it's all about something called digital products.
But let me ask you something first. Have you ever had that spark, that idea for a business, but then you think about all the stuff that comes with it, like mountains of inventory, the nightmare of shipping, renting a huge warehouse? It's enough to make you just stop. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all that pain? A way to focus on the fun part, the creation, and not the logistics.
So let's get into it. This is really about a totally new way of thinking about business. It's a model that lets you completely dodge those classic online selling headaches. Think of this as our call to adventure. We're leaving the old, complicated way of doing things in the dust.
Just for a second, picture the old way, right? You've got physical products. That means manufacturing costs, finding a place to store everything, packing boxes, dealing with shipping companies. It's a lot. Now, compare that to the world of digital products. It's just elegant. You get instant delivery to anyone, anywhere. Your overhead is practically zero. And the best part? The whole thing can be automated.
Okay, so that brings us to the big question, right? What in the world are these digital products that sound almost too good to be true? This is where things get really exciting, where we pull back the curtain and see the huge world of possibilities here.
You know, the definition is surprisingly simple. A digital product is just an intangible good. You can't hold it in your hand. It's made, sold, and used completely online. But here's the magic trick, the real game changer. You make it once, and you can sell it over and over and over again, infinitely, with no extra cost to you. Think about that.
And this idea, it just blows the doors open to so many possibilities. Let's start with a massive one, education. We're talking ebooks, super detailed online courses, exclusive masterclasses, you name it. People are always hungry to learn new skills, and they'll gladly pay for good information. Okay, next up, products that save people what they can never get back, their time. And trust me, this market is huge. Think about it. Ready-to-go social media templates for a creator who's totally swamped. Digital planners that bring some order to a chaotic life. Or even, get this, lists of powerful AI prompts that let a business churn out content like magic. It's all about providing a shortcut. And then you've got the engine that runs the entire creator economy, media assets. Seriously, every single brand, every influencer, every online business, they all need this stuff. We're talking stock photos, video clips, cool digital art, music for their videos. It's the fuel for all the content you see online.
And that brings us to the cutting edge, the fastest growing, most advanced category of them all, tech and services. This is where you find things like mobile apps or subscription communities that give you that amazing recurring revenue month after month. We're even talking about wild stuff like VR and AR experiences.
Now, I want you to really get a sense of the scale we're talking about here. Look at this number, $848 billion. And get this, that's just the projection for the e-learning industry alone, just one of the categories we just flew through. The opportunity isn't just big, it's absolutely immense.
So, this all leads to the reward, right? The big why. Why are so many smart entrepreneurs jumping on this? Well, it's because this model comes with some, honestly, almost unfair advantages. It's like having a superpower in the business world.
Let's kick things off with the biggest advantage of all, profit margins, 80 to 95%. I mean, just let that sink in. Since there's no manufacturing, no shipping, almost every dollar from a sale goes right into your pocket. And what I think is so cool about this is what it lets you do. You can pour that money back into marketing and grow at a speed that a physical product business could only dream of. And that incredible profit margin, it's what fuels all the other superpowers. You've got the dream of passive income because it's all automated. You've got unlimited scale. I mean, it costs you the exact same to sell 10 copies as it does to sell 10,000. You can reach someone in another country instantly. And maybe best of all, the startup risk is so incredibly low. It's just the perfect model for a side hustle or your first business.
Okay, so right about now, you're probably thinking, this all sounds incredible, but where do I even begin? How do I actually do this? Perfect. Let's bring it all home. We're going to lay out a simple step-by-step map to get you from idea to launch.
Look, don't get overwhelmed. We can break this whole thing down into just 4 manageable steps. That's it, 4 steps. Number 1, validate your idea. Make sure people actually want it. 2, create the product. 3, automate the delivery. And 4, price it and promote it. See? Totally doable. All right, let's talk step 1, validate. This is maybe the most crucial step of all. Do your homework before you create anything. Don't build something nobody wants. Go look at the best sellers on a place like Etsy. Use some keyword research tools to see what people are literally typing into Google. Check out your competitors. What are they missing? That's where you come in.
Now for step 2, creating the thing. And listen, you do not need to be a pro designer or a tech wizard. You can use amazing, super simple tools like Canva to make beautiful products. Or, hey, if you want an even faster start, look into something called PLR, Private Label Rights. It's basically pre-made content that you can legally tweak, put your name on, and sell as your own. It's a huge shortcut. Okay, product's ready. Where do you sell it? You've got some great choices, and it really depends on your goal. Etsy is awesome for beginners because it comes with a built-in audience that's already looking for stuff like planners and templates. Gumroad is fantastic for creators. Think ebooks, courses, that kind of thing. But if you're thinking long-term, if you want to build a real brand with total control, then Shopify is where you want to be to really scale things up.
And I just want to leave you with this one last thought. I know it can feel like a big mountain to climb, but every single massive digital product business out there, every single one, started in the exact same spot, with one idea and one single download. The barrier to getting started has literally never been lower than it is right now. So the only question left is, what's the idea you're going to bring to life?